The Stop Snoring Exercise program offers a revolutionary new approach to help people stop snoring. Snoring is not only disruptive to our partners, but it poses health risks as well, especially for those folks who suffer from sleep apnea. Christian Goodman, the creator of the program, has discovered that a selection of specific exercises can actually correct the issues that lead to excessive snoring, and help snorers and their bedmates get a better night's sleep. Click the link in the description below this video for details. The program will allow you to shake your pesky and unhealthy snoring habit using only easy-to-perform natural exercises. No drugs, surgery, funky contraptions to sleep with, hypnosis or any other invasive techniques. If you can spend 7 minutes per day performing these exercises, you can say goodbye to snoring for good. Christian Goodman was a big-time snorer himself, which led to his discovery of the exercises in his guide. He had tried all of the usual snoring remedies, and even slept with a CPAP machine every night. He was not satisfied with the relief he got from all of these treatments, so he kept digging for a better alternative. After reading a report on the possible efficacy of certain exercises for reducing snoring, he decided to use himself as a guinea pig to see if the report had legs. 6 months later, with the release of his guide, he proved that it did. The treatment method in the program entails performing 7 different exercises each day. These exercises, when combined, counter all of the possible causes of snoring. As it may be quite difficult to determine what causes a particular individual to snore, it is recommended that snorers perform all 7 of the exercises to cover all their bases. Each exercise takes only a minute or so to perform, so the entire routine can easily be completed in your spare time. Goodman's book has gotten rave reviews, as thousands of snorers have reported getting significant relief from his simple exercise plan. The guide stands up to scrutiny, and comes highly recommended to anyone who wants to stop snoring and improve their health. Click the link in the description below this video for details.